Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you unboxing and setup of consistent Nighthawk's 4MP IP camera in Hikvision DVR NVR. RJ45 waterproof connector. Drill sticker. Screws. And camera. Metal body. RJ45 port and DC female. Now we'll set up in laptop. I will connect RJ45 to laptop through LAN cable and connect power through DC pin. Now we'll set up on laptop. Open control panel. Click network and internet. Click view network status. Click on Ethernet. And properties. Double-click on IPv4. Set up IP address to any one series IP and click OK. Now open Chrome. Type 192.168.1.247 and click Enter. Now you will see this page. Default username is admin and password is empty. Click Login. It will ask to set new password, set as per your need. I will just click Next time. Now you will be able to see camera live. Click on Configuration. Go to Network and IP address to change IP address. I will change IP address to 0 series because my router default IP is 0 series. And click Save. Now I will change settings in my Ethernet to 0 series to access the camera again. Now I will enter using 192.168.0.247. I will log in again. Go to Configuration and Network and third-party protocol. Make sure on-with protocol is enabled and on-with authentication is enabled. And save. Now I will connect camera to PO switch which is connected to DVR NVR. Now I will open Configuration and select Camera. I will refresh and the camera shows in Online Device List. Select and add. It's added now. Since there is no password, I will not add password. Now you can see camera is added. Now I will show night view. The camera delivers clear view even in low light conditions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.